The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has signed a Memorandum of Understanding on the 6th of September 2022 with Westford Education Group London, UK for academic and research collaboration. Speaking during the signing ceremony, which was conducted virtually, President of MAAUN, Professor Muhammad Israr, said the collaboration will focus on academic and research activities. According to him, other scope of the MOU include developing research projects jointly and exchange of academic information, materials, and facilities. He further said that other areas of partnership are student exchange, faculty exchange, organizing, participation and joint symposiums, seminars, conferences, and workshops, among others. He said the university, which offers 15 undergraduate courses in its 4 existing schools, was committed towards promoting innovation, research, development, and academic excellence. In his presentation, the co-founder Westford Education Group, Mr. Samras Mayimi, said the organization has a lot of partnership with other universities across the world. He said the group, which was committed towards making education accessible and affordable to the masses, has a state-of-the-art facilities put in place for its programs. The co-founder explained that the Westford Education Group has no fewer than 40 learning centers across the globe in addition to the 4 centers located in Nigeria. He expressed gratitude over the signing of the MOU, which he said would go a long way in promoting academic excellence between the 2 universities. In his remarks, the Vice President MAAUN, Dr. Habib Awais, who commended the co-founder Westford Education Group for his wonderful presentation, noted that the partnership would pave a way for significant development between the 2 universities, especially in areas of research and leadership training towards providing education to students in Africa and beyond. He also expressed optimism that the mutual areas of collaboration would advance ideas of conferences and seminars, stressing that MAAUN is passionate about digital education, research, innovation, and many others. In his vote of thanks, the senior official ICACIA University, USA, Dr. David Gleave, thanked the President, Vice President, and the head of International Office of MAAUN for facilitating the MOU signing. Also, in his closing remarks, Director, Institute of Africa Higher Education, Dr. Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, assured that the institution would make the best use of the opportunity so as to benefit from the collaboration.